Hello guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rabiha Ijaz and today's video is about youngster suicide. Okay, so I know that I took such a long break from YouTube. Sorry for this, but I also have to study for my exams, so I took a break from YouTube. And also I want to discuss about one more thing that I will not gonna explain about books, because I realize that some of you have, but some of you have not that book that I will gonna explain, so there's not advantage for you guys and for me. So I will just gonna talk about some motivational things that will gonna motivate you a lot. Okay, so let's come to the main point, which is our today's video about youngsters suicide. Okay, so let's begin. You know, the students who are in universities or colleges does suicide. Do you know what the problem, what the reason behind them? Some of the students have some financial problems, there are some household problems, but you know that the most knowing reason is the burden of studies. But we all have passions, we all have dreams, we all have emotions, and we all have to build our future by ourselves, because no one will gonna do this for us. So, and the last target after studying very hard, the whole life, our last target is money. We all need money in the last stages of our life, because we studied very hard to had a high paying jobs. But you know that some students are good in studies, but some are not. So remember one thing, never force them, because if you force any child, any student, the most knowing reason of student suicide is to force them is the burden of studies. Why the study is the burden? Because we force them to do study. If we did not force them to study, there is not any burden of study. Because if you force anyone to study very hard, they did not study very hard. Because you know that God give each person have a talent. God gave at least one talent in each person, even he or she is poor or rich, all have each talents. So we all go according to our dreams, passions and talents. But the students who are weak in studies, we all force them. The students who are not good in studies, the kids in school who are good in studies, starting bullying them. Why they start bullying them? Because they have a lot of attitude of their good studies. But why we have attitude of our good studies? We are studying good for ourselves, not for others, and we have a lot of attitude that I studied very hard, I studied very good. That's not an attitude, that's not a reason, because you are not giving a pleasure to others. You are doing study for yourself, for your future, for high paying jobs, for your bungalows, for your cars. You are not studying for others, you are just studying hard for yourself. Because you know that we force the students a lot to study hard, but if they do not study hard, that's not your fault. Because if they are not studying, no problem, they have dreams, they will gonna go according to their dreams. No matter if they are not studying hard, they have dreams, they will gonna go according to their dreams. Because if you know that some children who are not good in studies, we all say them that you can't give us money in future and you will not gonna help us in future. But why they will not gonna help us in future? They have dreams, they have talents, they have passions. We all have talents. And stop bullying weak students. If we started bullying weak students, then our life became hard. That's very bad thing in us, that we have a lot of attitude of a good studying person. I just wanna tell you one thing, that stop bullying the students who are not good in studies, because they disturbed mentally themselves, thinking a lot about their studies. They always think about that we can't study well, So our future is not gonna good, our future is very bad. That's not a point. You all have dreams, you all have passions. Go according to your dreams, your passions, your talents. God gave you at least one talent. Go accordingly to your talent. Because some persons, some men, women are very attractive by their good studies, but some are not. Why? Because they start bullying the peoples that I am studying very hard, that I am studying very good, so my future is very good. You have to help others who are not good in studies, because we make them financially disturbed, mentally disturbed, that you are not studying good, your future is bad, your future is not gonna good because you are not studying good. That's not a point. We all have dreams, and we will gonna go according to our dreams, our passions, and our talents. I just wanna say, and the last thing is I wanna talk about is stop bullying the weak students and start standing for them. Because you know that the students who are weak in studies, that's not their fault, because we force the students a lot to study, to study, to study more and more and more and more. That's the reason they can't study. Stop bullying the weak students and stand for them. Thank you so much. I hope that some of these words teach you a lot, but if they hurt you, so sorry for this. And if you like this, then please pray for me, and inshallah I will gonna post at least two videos in a week. Very Ramadan Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.